In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Forms quiz. Whether you're an educator, a team leader, or just someone who loves quizzes, Google Forms is a fantastic tool that allows you to craft quizzes with ease. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can effortlessly create a quiz and share it with others. To get started, you'll first want to open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Forms and hit enter. You'll find a direct link that takes you to the Google Forms homepage. Alternatively, if you're already logged into Google, you can simply navigate there by going to Google Apps on your Google homepage and selecting Forms from the list. Once you're on the Google Forms homepage, you'll see the option to create a new form. Click on the Blank Quiz option. This pre-built template transforms what would normally be a blank form into a structured quiz by automatically enabling the quiz feature. Starting with this template saves you a step and keeps things headache-free. Now, you'll want to give your quiz a title. Click on the text that reads Untitled Quiz and rename it to something that reflects the content of your quiz. This helps future participants know what to expect. In the description box below, you may want to add a brief introduction or instructions for those taking the quiz. This is especially helpful for quizzes that are more complex or when you're aiming to set the mood. Next, you can begin adding questions. Click on the plus icon on the menu to the right to add your first question. Google Forms allows you to select from a variety of question types, such as multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. Choose the type that best suits the content of your quiz. For instance, multiple choice is great for quickly assessing choices, while short answer might be better for questions requiring a bit more thought. As you input your questions, don't forget to fill in the answer keys. By doing this, Google Forms can automatically grade quizzes, saving you considerable time if you're administering the quiz to large groups. Click on the small icon at the bottom of each question to specify the correct answer, and you can even assign point values for graded quizzes. This feature really brings the form to life and converts it from a simple Q&A sheet to an engaging, interactive experience. After populating your quiz with questions, use the palette icon to give your quiz a personal touch by changing the theme. A customized theme can make your quiz more visually appealing and engaging for participants. Once you're satisfied with your quiz, hit the send button at the top right to share it. You can distribute the quiz via email, a direct link, or even embed it in a web page. And there you have it, a complete, personalized Google Forms quiz ready to engage your audience. Remember to regularly review responses in the Responses tab and analyze the data to refine your quizzes or tailor them further to your audience's needs. I hope you found this guide helpful in creating a Google Forms quiz. Thanks for joining me today, and have fun crafting your quizzes.